what's inside our refrigerator. This will be my first vlog. Pero bago yung freezer, unahin natin yung sa baba. Kasi wala lang, mas maraming laman yung sa baba. So I'll open it. Ta-da! That's inside my refrigerator. As you can see, there's a lot of eggs because I do love baking, and I'm going to start my online business, which is Dulce del Zalo, which means sweets from heaven. So you can follow or hit like button on my Facebook account. It's Dulce del Zalo. Then there's a lot of soda, pero maliit lang siya kasi for sugar rush, kasi minsan parang kapag nalalamig ako, it means sobrang baba ng sugar ko. So I have soda for sugar rush. Then I have here mayonnaise. Then face mask, which I order online. Then sauces, ketchup, and one of my favorite. Oh my god. Paubos na siya, taba ng talangka. And here, I have water. And water again. And then milk. For baking purposes and also for my cereal. Wow, cereal. Hindi, meron ako nakita sa grocery or somewhere na mayroong strawberry cornflakes, so I tried it. And after that, here we have my ate's bagoong. She gave me this one. I have here cream cheese for baked cheesecake. Then cheeses for toppings, or if I would like to make spaghetti. Quick melt for pizza. Syempre, mas masarap yung pizza na quick melt ang gamit mo. I have here tortilla wrap for my burritos, shawarma. So I bought it. Sorry guys, meron ditong Angel's cream, pero gagamitin natin yan. I'll make some dessert. I bought pineapple, fresh pineapple. So gusto ko yung mag-pineapple. Parmesan cheese for pastas. And a lot of butter for baking purposes also. And down here we have kimchi. Yes, kimchi. I do love kimchi. Water again. Then here, may natira akong condensed milk, so I put it in a container. And also a chocolate. Bagoong. I don't know if okay pa to, pero nasa ref lang naman siya. And a lot of bagoong. I cook this. That's for kare-kare, for kinataan, Bicol Express. You can use that. Here, water. I do love drinking water, but ngayon medyo mahina tayo sa malamig na tubig. So, lagi ko siya binabantuan na mainit kasi nga, diba, coronavirus hates hot water. And I have here 4 season juice. Wala lang, gusto ko lang ng juice para hindi naman puro sodas. Then, as usual, sugar rush. Pero hindi ako practical tayo, kaya doon lang tayo sa mura. Masarap naman yung Cloud9. One of my favorite is their peanut butter flavor na, or peanut butter Cloud9. So good. Here, I bought this for only 6 pesos. Lasa siyang Perero. I have here, bumili ako ng Yakult and Delight kasi nagkakaubusan at sobrang mahal sa ibang online seller. So, nung nagka-chance ako makabili sa grocery, I bought I think 3 Yakult, 2 Delight, and a lots of yogurt milk. I have here strawberry and apple, green apple. So, masarap din siya. I also bought lemon for my ginger tea. So, nagpuput ako ng lemon for my ginger tea na ginagawa ko din. DIY tayo lahat. Huwag tayong puro instant. Here, and we have here are some of our gulay. We have here garlic. Yeah, mas maraming garlic than onion kasi mas mahilig ako sa garlic. Lalo na pag nagkikisa. I have here luya for my ginger tea. Calamansi. Carrots. Tomato. Carrots. I have here calamansi, potato, and tomato. I have here danggit. Then here, syempre, all-time favorite tuyo. I have here panko bread or breadcrumbs para kapag gagawa ng cordon bleu or tonkatsu, katsudon. Yan, meron ako yan. I also have here last time chocolate bar for cakes, for ganache, and for chocolate toppings. Or cookies, I can use that also for cookies. And last, we have here cold pepper. Yeah, I have that. Pero sa totoo, sa ate ko yan. Pinalagay ko. That's it. Ito ang laman ng aking babang ref. Let's go to the freezer. Ta-da! That's my freezer. Yeah. I have here, pagbukas mo, unang-unang makikita, syempre, Sanmig lemon flavor. Oh, so good. Sarap nito. Sobrang lamig na niya. I have here hot dog. Oops. Hindi na siya matanggal. Giniling naman for kare-kare. Tocino chili flavor. Yeah. Dahil masarap ang maanghang. I have here the mixed vegetable and then tocino again. I have here tocino. Here we have tanan, dalawang ice cream pero hindi ice cream laman yan. Ang isang laman niya ay dumplings, shark fin and pork siomai. Then ham. I have a lots of ice kasi nagbebenta ako ng yelo. Take note, purified yan. I have here lumpia. Dumikit na siya. I have here lumpia. Then I have here breakfast beef and bacon na ginawa ko, which is turo ni mami. And then, I have your pork kasim for sinigang. Bumili ako para kung sakali gusto ko magsinigang, meron na tayo. I have your pepperoni for my pizza, homemade pizza. And then here is crushed bacon. I also bought for my pizza or pwede din sa carbonara. I have here pork sukiyaki kat, hindi ko pa siya nalalagay sa container. Crab stick, pwede kong ilagay sa fried rice or roll. I have here ulam burger if I want some burger steak. Meron ako niyan. Molo wrapper if gusto kong gumawa ng homemade siomai. And then here, we have here marinated chicken for fried chicken. So, nakababad lang siya sa calamansi and salt. Then here, we have here pork loin steak for gusto ko mag-steak. Tapos with mixed vegetable. Then, longganisa. Ground pork. And then, I have here 2 kilos of hot dog na galing sa Barangay Ayuda. Dahil Ang Barangay Karuhatan laging nagbibigay ng hotdog and 5 kilos of rice. So, nakadalawang rasyon na sila dito sa street namin. And then, I have here yempo for inihaw. And then, I have here nagpapili ako sa friend ko kasi parang gusto kong gumawa ng carbonara, so I bought ham and bacon. And then, syempre, dahil nasa ECQ tayo ngayon, meron akong fishball. Bakit? Igawa ko na lang sa bahay, di naman ako mahilig sa sauces. So, meron akong fishballs. And then, here, we have here another set of crab stick. Wala lang, parang gusto ko lang mag-stock. And ice cubes. So, that's it. That's what's inside on my fridge. Wala naman masyado, di ba? Actually, marami yan ngayon. Dati wala talaga siya labang kundi yelo. So, that's it. That's what's inside my ref. Thank you, guys!